accidentally switch off the phone. As you can see, the 1 minute is still remaining, and we will be recording on that 1 minute. A zrobiłaś coś? So once again, program 7, everything works fine from the start to the till the end. Basically, in the end, when the countdown dropping down to 1 minute, it's stuck on 1 minute. It's never ending. As you can see on length of this video, the 1 minute is past, but the dishwasher is still ongoing washing. You'll see, we will keep recording it, and it's never ending. So the length of the video is already 2.5 minutes when we start recording on 1 minute remaining. So we passed 4 minutes and we still got 1 minute remaining, and dishwasher don't stop. Machine is still washing. We've got 5 minutes on the video length. we have started when it was already on 1 minute remaining. So you can see that 1 minute it takes much longer and will never end. Okay, we're getting closer to 6 minutes. I'm not gonna record any longer as I'm not sure how long video I can upload. So it's 6 minutes now on the video length. That's definitely don't work. So what I'm going to do, I will cancel the program and then the dishwasher will drain. But if I wouldn't do it, it would never happen. So the engineering been sent here, he was completely wrong. He couldn't say that there is no issue. So I will cancel that. Child lock. Okay, so if I will cancel that now, it will drain. So it's draining, so there is no issues with draining, as the dishwasher is draining everything off. So don't know what's happened, but the device is faulty and it doesn't work as from first start. Occasionally it might work only on pre-wash, but that happened maybe twice. So machine stop. As you can see, washing is finished. And just so you can see the serial number, I'm not sure if the light is good enough. So that is I will read that for you in case if you can't see it. So serial number is 15-800-592-11. The dishwasher is faulty and the retailer saying after engineering came here and that there is no fault.